Hi, today I'm gonna be preparing apple spiced cake. It's a great quick dessert for the fall weather. It has perfect fall spices in it, and the secret ingredient is apple butter. Nutmeg is one of the established spices in the kitchen. It has a very interesting history. It goes all the way back to 1st century. In the past, nutmeg used to be very expensive. So nutmeg was used instead of gold or money to trade things. And it was easy to transport because obviously it's lighter than some other goods. And nowadays we use it in different recipes, but it definitely has very distinguished taste. And nutmeg is the seed in a fruit on a nutmeg tree found in Moluccas Islands in Pacific. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you're gonna make this recipe so you can enjoy the great fall taste of this dessert. And if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and you can also follow me on Instagram as BORA'S Kitchens, and I'll see you next time.